So, what is the exact date today? Vaishak 27th, Sunday. And you are SC batch 2083. And within 2 days, the result of SC batch 2082 will be published. Remember. Laddu, yeah, definitely. Laddu paid some gift also. This time I heard they are making with huge gift and coming. Or they may not come also. In some batches, this when they did come. It means not all. Few they came, few they didn't come. Okay, that's not our concern. Our concern is to be focused and deserve outstanding marks. Outstanding marks means GPA 4. Very soon, new photos will be pasted in that display board. Yes or no? Name of the student, GPA 4.0, GPA 3.99, 95, whatever they deserve. Now you aim like that, right? Remember. Now presentation time. So this is our second presentation. For presentation, let's welcome on the stage Miss Avisha Duwadi. Give her a big round of applause.
Unmute you. Namaskar everyone, good morning to you all. It's me, Avisha Duwadi, one of your classmates from class 10, roll number 2. Today I am here to present some slides of mine from chapter 2, classification of living beings.
More left and it will be. Yes.
Here are some table of contents. We are going to study about introduction to classification of living beings, some major bases of classifications, introduction to 5 kingdom classification, who proposed it, and their kingdoms, properties of 5 kingdom of classifications, introduction to kingdom Plantae with its characteristics, types of Plantae classification chart, introduction to kingdom Animalia, its phylums, classification of living beings, difference between poikilothermic and homeothermic, classification of some animals, etc. Classification of living beings.
Underline.
Oh. Classification of living beings. Classification means grouping living organisms with the help of their similarities and dissimilarities. The major basis of classification is complexity of cell with the basis of the mode of nutrition, complexity of body organization, etc. They are classified. The major basis of classifications are these. About 5 kingdom system of classification. In 1969, American taxonomist named Robert Harding Whittaker proposed 5 kingdom system of classification due to some shortcomings of 2 kingdom system of classification. 5 kingdom systems are classified into 5 kingdoms, which are kingdom Monera, Protista, Plantae, Fungi, and Animalia. No.
What is
That's it. Some properties of 5 kingdom system of classification. Kingdom Monera, their cell type is prokaryotic. Their cell organization is unicellular. Cell wall in Monera, cell wall are present. Nutritional class, they are heterotrophic and phototrophic. Their mode of nutrition is absorptive. About Protista, they are eukaryotic, unicellular, present in some, absent in others. Their nutritional class is heterotrophic and phototrophic. Their mode of nutrition is absorptive or ingestive. About fungi, they are fungi and plantae and animalia. These three all are eukaryotes. Um, fungi cell organization type is multicellular and unicellular. In other hands, plantae and animalia are multicellular. In these in this both fungi and plantae, cell wall are present, while in animalia they are absent. Nutritional class. In fungi, nutritional class is heterotrophic, while plantae phototrophic and animalia heterotrophic. Their plantae mode of nutrition is mostly absorptive, and animalia mostly ingestive. Is not so can one of the kingdom from 5 kingdom classification is kingdom plantae. They include a great variety of non-vascular and vascular plants. They have many characteristics. Some of them are they store food in the form of starch. They they are they are either non-flower or flowering plants. They reproduce by both asexual and sexual method. Some examples of kingdom plantae are spirogyra, liverworts, etc. Kingdom plantae are divided into 3 subdivisions, which are algae. Oh my goodness. Algae, bryophyta, and tracheophyta. About division algae, they are simple or lower photosynthetic colored plants. Some features of thallophyta are they are mostly found in water. They are either unicellular or multicellular. Cell wall is chemically composed of yes of kingdom plantae division bryophyta. They are simplest plants that grow in the most terrestrial lands. Some characteristics of it are xylem and phloem are absent. They reproduce by vegetative and sexual reproduction or methods. Some examples of it are riccia, etc. The third one is tracheophyta. This division includes well-developed plants. They are vascular plants, as they contain xylem and phloem tissues. These plants may be herbs, shrubs, or trees. How do I do it?
What is it? And you have to go near it down. Hello, you make noise. They are making noise means they are not listening to you. Matter is that, right?
About subdivision Pteridophyta, Their characteristics. Some of the characteristics of pteridophyta are plant body is well developed into roots, stem, and leaves. Xylem and phloem are present for transportation of water and food. They are vascular tissues. Reproduction occurs by spores instead of seeds. Pteridophyta, pteridophyta, pteridophyta reproduces by spores instead of seeds. The fourth point is they mostly grow in moist, shady places. Some examples of pteridophyta are mosses, horsetails, etc., ferns, etc. About subdivision gymnosperms, their characteristics are plant body is well developed into roots, stem, and leaves. Xylem and phloem are present for transportation of food and water, like the previous pteridophyta. Reproduction occurs by naked seeds but includes in fruits. They do not reproduce flowers and usually bear cones. Some examples of gymnosperms are pine, ficus, and fire. The third one is subdivision angiosperms. Its characteristics are plant body is well developed into root, stem, and leaves. Xylem and phloem are present for transportation of water and food. Reproduction occurs by seeds within fruits. They reproduce by flowers for reproduction. Example: mango, rose, and wheat. So here is a simple diagram of classification of kingdom Plantae according to their division, subdivision, class, distinguishing characters, and their examples. Thallophyta, which are also known as algae, they do not have any subdivision. In class, they are green algae. Example are Calamidomonas, Spirogyra, Volvox, Eultothrix. The distinguishing characters are plant body is simple and thalloid. No true roots or stems or leaves. They are mostly aquatic. They reproduce by spores and photosynthetic pigments are present. Some examples of Thallophyta are Calamidomonas, Pyrogyra, Volvox, Eulothrix. Of division Bryophyta. Their class is Hepaticopsida, Bryocyra, and Hepaticopsida. Some distinguishing characters of it are small and non-vascular plants. No true roots and leaves have rhizoids. Reproduce by spores, need water for fertilization. Some examples of Bryophyta are Riccia, Morsanta, and Moss. Of division Pteridophyta, they do not have any subdivision. Their class is Pteridopsida, and the distinguishing characters are well-developed vascular plants, true roots, stem, and leaves present, produced by spores, no flower or seeds. As Thallophyta and Bryophyta do not have any true roots, but Pteridophyta contains true roots, stem, and leaves present in them. Some examples of it are Paniamola, horsetails, etc. About gymnosperms, they also do not have any subdivision like other three. Their class is Caicatopsida. Distinguishing characters are well-developed vascular plants, seeds are naked. Some examples of it are caicos, etc. So for further slides, I would like to call my friend Ritik Khanal. Please welcome.
Namaskar. Namaskaram everyone. Well, everyone is Ritik. Today I am very standing in front of you to give a presentation on classification of living beings. So, kingdom of Animalia. All organs are the multicellular aggregate. The cells do not have their cell wall. Mostly, mostly, mo- mostly motile at the least after some stage of the life. Body in the body body is made by the special structures, tissue, organ, and organ system. So sexual reproduction development as their implement. Uh,
Okay, so you don't stay that side and run. Okay?
okay.
You give that side. And now next time you start like this.
So the next slide is what defines an animal. So this slide says, so it's going to be defining how can we know that what is an animal, what is a plant. So here are given some essential features. So some of the features that defines an animal is eukaryotic. So eukaryotic meaning the cell of the organism is well developed. So cell possesses a defined nucleus. The cell it has a defined nucleus which is well developed and multicellular. The organisms is not just unicellular; it is composed of many cells. It means it's not only one. It's not only made up of one cell, but it has many cells in it. Heterotrophic. Heterotrophic refers to the mode of nutrition in which the nutrition is obtained by from other organisms, in which must ingest food for energy, in which the animal will gain the fruit of their nutrition from other organisms. Cell wall is absent. There are two types of cells that are plant cell and animal cell. So in animal cell there is no cell wall, but in plant cell there is cell wall. So we are talking about animals, so there is no cell wall. The cell wall is absent. Most animals are mobile at some stage in their life cycle and exhibit complex sensory neuromotor organic mechanics. So the basis of classification are given here. Complexity of cellular tissue organ system. So here is given loose cell aggregates observed in phylum Porifera tissues, cells organized into tissues found in coelentratus. Organ system, highest level organs work together. Example arthropoda and chordates. So here it's given about the basis of classification on which the animals, yes, kingdom animalia's organisms are classified onto. So now here is given how the organisms or the animals in the kingdom Animalia is classified. So the kingdom Animalia, so it's classified onto two types: it's vertebrates and invertebrates. It's according to their backbone, if they have a backbone or don't have a backbone. Invertebrates meaning they don't have a backbone, and vertebrates meaning they have a backbone. So according to the backbone. In the invertebrate section, we have Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Nemathulminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Chordata. And according to the vertebrates, meaning classes, we have Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes, and Mammalia. So these are just the classification. There is the same again. So it's just the phylums of organisms according to the backbone or no backbone. So here now it's explained about Porifera. So Porifera. So here it's given some of the characteristics of Porifera. Multicellular aquatic animals. As I said, multicellular, it means that the organism body is composed of multi-cells, not only one cells. If it contains one cell, it's called unicellular, but it contains many multi-cells, so it's called multicellular. And aquatic animals, meaning they live in water, they survive in water. So Porifera, multicellular aquatic animals, mostly marine, few freshwater, asymmetrical body. Their body is asymmetrical, no true tissues or organs. Their body does not have a true tissues or organs. Body full of pores, ostia, canal system for water flow. So these holes which are there in the poriferan body, it's called as pores. Sessile, it means that it cannot locomote from one place to another place. It stays in a single place, fixed place. Water enters. So it's about how poriferans get their food. So the water enters from the ostia or the tiny pores of the porifera. Then it goes into the canal system in which the food is digested. Then into the central cavity, and the osculum. Osculum is the hollow place of the porifera, and then the water exists. Some of the examples of poriferans are given here as well. It's Cycon, Spongilia, Euspongia, Bat Spons.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You have to be master in all areas. You prepare the slide, but slides are also incomplete. You prepare for presentation not complete. What is that? There must be commanding voice. No? Only reading. Cnidaria is a major group phylum of mostly aquatic animals. What is it? That presentation. Practice 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and present here. You do not remain below class student. Now you are in grade 10. First slide will be here. It is jellyfish, coral, sea anemones, and hydras. They belong to Nirajan. They have got stinging cells. That's why they are called. They contain one poisonous cells or organs. We call them nidoblast. Because of that, these animals which belong to Coelenterata are called Nirajan also. They are called Coelenterata because they have got hollow cavity. You have to need. You need to read. No, read. Then be prepared and come. Only reading. Radial symmetry. There. What is that? Presentation. And people, they don't like to listen. If your sound is a bit louder, commanding, then they can listen. No? Matter is like that. Okay, next week also we will continue this one. Next week also again these two students will present. Avisha Duwadi and Ritik, Khanal. So they are going to present in the heading Animal Kingdom. Okay, understood or not? So practice again. Next slide you should not prepare, but you need to present in a systematic order. Understood? Okay. So matter is like that. Now let me check the homework. Homework class 10. What is this class 10? New class 10? I don't think that, or this is the one. Platyhelminthes. We are discussing last time. Okay. From chapter 1, all questions are done or not? Hello children. Question number chapter 1, are all questions solved? All solved, right? If all solved, and chapter 2, which questions were done? MCQ done. So today's homework is question number 2. Answer the following questions. Understood or not? Mark it. He is confused. He was measuring pencil while learning time. How long is it? Oh, Tanjing ji. Oh, why like that? Huh? Okay. Thank you very